Hello my friend and welcome to our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website. In the last video we have seen how to make a backup for your WordPress website using the free plugin WPvivid and save this backup in the server or the web hosting, and also how to download it to save it also in your computer. But today I will show you how to save this backup in external storage or remote storage like Google Drive and Dropbox, for example, okay? So it's very easy my friend, just watch this video to the end. But before we start this video, don't forget to visit our YouTube channel Create Your Own Website. Like this video and share it with your friend. Let's get started. Hello again my friend. So like I said, we will use a free plugin called WPvivid. To install this plugin, you go to the dashboard. Then you go to plugins and click on add new. Then search here for WPvivid. Like this. You will find this plugin, Migration Backup Staging WPvivid. Install it and activate it in your WordPress website. Like you see right now, I have already installed and activated this plugin in my website, and you will find it here. Backup and restore. And if we go down, this is the setting of the plugin, and this is the backup that we have made last time in the last tutorial, okay? For the local host, like we see here. Now my friend, we will use this option, send backup to remote storage. But we must first connect our website to the remote storage, like Google Drive for example, and this is what we will use in this tutorial, okay? How we can do this? We go to remote storage, okay? Then we choose here Google Drive or Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Amazon S3, Digital Ocean Space, FTP for example, okay? For us, I will use Google Drive. We click on this button to make the connection. Select your Gmail, then continue, okay? We will insert the password again, enter, and now if we go down, we will see that we have connected our website to our Google Drive. Let's give him a name, for example, Create Your Own Website, add now, and like we see here, we have added a Google Drive. Save changes. Great. Now if we back to backup and restore, we will find send backup to remote storage. We have a Google Drive activated, okay? So we select this and we click backup now, okay? It will take some moment. You have just to wait to this backup finish. It's done. If we go down, we will find our backup right here, saved in the Google Drive, okay? So now we have a backup of our website saved in Google Drive, and it's very secure from the local host, okay, or the server or the web hosting, and we can also download it to our computer from here, and we can also restore it from here, okay my friend? So I will test this. I will visit my website and I will try to make some damage in the home page, edit with Elementor. Like this, I will delete all my content from the home page, like this, update to save this damage or this modification that I did right now. Great. Preview changes. Like we see here my friend, I have deleted all my homepage content. To restore the backup, I will back here. Great, and click restore, and I restore the backup that I saved in Google Drive. Restore, click here. Great. The process my friend is that he will download the backup from Google Drive to your server or your web hosting. Then you can proceed the restore from your web hosting or your server, okay? So we will wait. Like this, it's almost done. Okay, and it finished, okay? Now we click restore and okay. Like we see here my friend, the restoring is started. Okay, let's wait, and it's finished. Like we see here my friend, restore completed successfully. Okay, let's visit our website to see if the restore is good. And like we see here my friend, we have restored our website successfully and we have restored our homepage, okay? So this is the way how to make a backup for your website and save it in Google Drive or any remote storage. you are using with the free plugin WPvivid. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friend. See you next time and thank you.